Let's start with the BMW X5. This one feels different the moment you look at it. It's sharp, sporty, and a little more aggressive than you'd expect from a luxury SUV. From the front, it has that signature BMW presence, clean lines, bold grille, and a design that actually feels intentional. It's not trying too hard, but it still stands out. Step inside, and everything feels focused. The entire cabin is built around the driver. The screens, the layout, everything just makes sense. It feels modern, but also controlled. And that's the key thing here, control. This is not just a luxury SUV, this is something you actually want to drive. From the side, it looks balanced, not too flashy, not too minimal, just right. But here's the thing. When it comes to pure luxury, it's not the best in this list. This is for someone who enjoys driving, not just sitting in comfort. And even when the road gets rough, it holds itself together really well. But still, that's not its main strength. Now let's switch things up, because the Lexus RX is completely different. This is where everything slows down. No aggression, no drama, just smooth, refined luxury. From the outside, it looks clean, sharp, but calm. It doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly the point. Inside, this is where Lexus really shines. The cabin feels quiet, comfortable, and incredibly easy to live with. Everything feels soft, simple, and well thought out. It's not trying to impress you with complexity, it just feels right. And that's what makes it special. Because this might actually be the most reliable luxury SUV here. It's not the fastest, it's not the most exciting, but for daily driving, it just works, every single time. From the side, it keeps that same clean design language. Nothing extra, nothing unnecessary, just pure, balanced luxury. And even on rough roads, it stays smooth and composed. That's where you really feel the difference. But now, let's talk about number one, because this one is on another level. The Range Rover Sport doesn't try too hard and still looks more expensive than everything else here. That's the power of its design. It's minimal but strong, clean but commanding. From every angle, it just feels premium. And when you see it in person, it hits differently. Inside, this is where things change completely. This is not just a cabin, this is an experience. Everything feels high-end, from the materials to the layout to the overall atmosphere. It's quiet, it's refined, and it feels expensive in a way the others don't. This is the kind of SUV people notice without you saying a word. From the side, it has that strong, confident presence. No unnecessary lines, no distractions, just pure design. And when the road gets rough, this is where it really shows its dominance. The way it handles uneven terrain, the way it stays composed, it just feels built for more. This isn't just a luxury SUV, this is a statement. So here's the real question. What do you actually want? If you want performance and driving feel, go for the BMW X5. If you want comfort, reliability, and everyday luxury, the Lexus RX makes the most sense. But if you want pure luxury, presence, and that premium feeling every single time you drive, the Range Rover Sport is in a different league. Now be honest, which one are you choosing? BMW X5, Lexus RX, or Range Rover Sport? Drop your answer in the comments and let's see what people are picking.